Stop scrolling. This might be the most powerful foldable phone of 2026. This is the all-new Honor Magic V6, thinner, stronger, and smarter than ever before. And today, I'm going to tell you why this phone could destroy the competition. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the brand new Honor Magic V6, Honor's latest flagship foldable that is coming in strong for 2026. Honor is not playing safe anymore. They're going after the top dogs in the foldable game, and honestly, they might have nailed it. First, design. The Magic V6 is insanely thin for a foldable. When folded, it feels like a normal flagship phone. When opened, boom, you get that big immersive display. Honor has upgraded the hinge mechanism, making it smoother and more durable than ever. Less crease, more strength, premium feel. This is not a fragile foldable. This feels solid. You're getting a large AMLED main display with high refresh rate, smooth scrolling, ultra-vivid colors, and flagship-grade brightness levels. Whether you're gaming, watching Netflix, or multitasking, this screen delivers a true tablet-like experience in your pocket. Performance. Pure power. Now let's talk power. The Magic V6 is expected to run on a top-tier Snapdragon 8 series chipset, which means insane performance. Gaming? No problem. Heavy multitasking? Easy. Editing videos on your phone? Absolutely. This is flagship performance, no compromises. Honor is stepping up its camera game here. We're expecting a powerful multi-lens system with AI enhancements, improved low-light performance, and flagship-grade image processing. If Honor gets this right, this could be one of the best camera foldables out there. Foldables usually struggle with battery life, but Honor is focusing on bigger battery capacity and fast charging tech. That means all-day usage, super fast charging, and less anxiety. And that's a huge win. MagicOS is expected to bring smarter multitasking, split-screen improvements, and AI features that actually make sense. Foldables are all about productivity, and this one looks ready for it. Let's be real. The foldable market is dominated by a few big names, but Honor is coming aggressively. Thinner, lighter, potentially more affordable, and just as powerful. That's dangerous for the competition. Who is this for? This phone is for tech lovers, power users, content creators, business professionals, and anyone who wants something futuristic. The Honor Magic V6 is shaping up to be one of the strongest foldables of 2026. If Honor prices this right, this could be the foldable to beat. So what do you think? Would you switch to the Magic V6? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like this video if you're excited for next-gen foldables, and subscribe for more powerful tech updates. I'll see you in the next one.